So on this session, I learned the physical and motor development of a child and adolescence, of what does the effect of brain development, the factors affecting growth and development, and lastly the exceptional development. From birth to 6 months, rapid height and weight gain. Strong reflexes begins. They can now produce rapid movements, reach object, and response to both specific stimulus and environment. For 6 to 12 months, they can now sit alone, shows grasping ability, and bring objects to their mouth. They can also crawl, pulse up, and walk with support. For toddlers, 12 to 18 months, they can now walk alone and build towers and be able to drink and bring spoons to their mouth. For 18 to 24 months, they can now jump, climb, run, and manipulate small objects. For 24 to 36 months, appetite usually increases and shows signs of coordination and aggression. For early adulthood, 3 to 4 years old can eat and dresses by himself with supervision, begins to gallop and learn how to drive bicycle until they turn early adolescence to adolescence. Early adolescence is from 11 to 15 years old, while adolescence is from 16 to 19 years old, which means preoccupation with body image continues throughout adolescence. Brain development had an effect on the physical and motor development of a child, begins at third to fourth week after conception. On this, we acquire specific kind of skills and information. The brain continues to develop throughout life to adapt to experience. The factors affecting development are maternal nutrition or the nutrition from the pregnant mothers, the child nutrition or nutrition we provide once a baby is born, and lastly, early sensory stimulation or we expose a baby or a child to different activities which trigger their senses to be activated. On the other hand, the factors affecting growth are the genetic history or inherited from our parents or ancestors, nutrition or the food we eat, medical condition, exercise, sleep, and emotional being. There are also the exceptional development of a child, which are the physical disabilities or impairment of the bone and muscle system, visual impairments or the blind one and partially sighted, and sensory impairments or the deaf. I realized that as we step to another months or years, we grow and grow. Also, many development occurs. We must know on how to assess ourselves for us to know how progressive we are.